Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my video. In this video I am going to show you how to fix lag or buffering on your PC. If you are using a low-end desktop or a laptop, this video is meant for you. First of all, open Windows PowerShell. Make sure to open it in administrator mode. After that, I will give you a code. You can get it from the link given below in the description. Simply copy the code and paste it inside the PowerShell. Excellent. Now click on enter and give it some time to process. Make sure you have an active internet connection. After some time, you will see a UI window like this. Click on Essential Tweaks and give it some time. In this process you would see that this window is not responding. Don't click anywhere until it starts responding. After that, take the PowerShell window and wait for some time. You will see that the process here ended showing essential tweaks completed. That's it. You are all set and welcome to the world of faster computing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And it's my first video on YouTube. If you like my content, subscribe to me and I will keep posting contents that might help you. See you in the next video.